Hello and welcome back to another episode of Brain Train Tuesday. My name is Alyssa. I am the owner of Liss MS. I am a holistic nutritionist and health coach, and I help my clients rewire their brain and body for healing. So in today's episode, we're going to be continuing with our balance series and our VOR work, which is the Vestibulo Ocular Reflex for review, which means that it's just your body's ability to maintain gaze stabilization, so like looking at an object while your head is moving, so kind of like that. So remember, from a few weeks ago, our kind of prerequisites to these drills are the gaze stabilization itself, just kind of putting the pen, pencil, whatever your implement is, about 6 inches away from your nose, and then just staring at the tip of it for 5 to 10 seconds. And then pencil push-ups. If you remember, just kind of watch the tip and go back and forth. This is a convergence divergence drill for your eyes to see how well they track objects. So those are kind of like prerequisites. And then last week, we talked about our first VOR drill, which was when you stare at the tip and then you start to move your head. So we moved it backwards a little bit and then forwards a little bit and then back and then forwards. And so now today we're going to continue that. And so these are the next 2 progressions in this series. So if you are totally okay with doing the head movement, then this is for you. If you are not, that is okay also. This will be here when you're ready. So obviously you can do this standing up with like a nice tall posture, or you can do this seated as well if you're really nervous about falling over, if you have like significant balance issues. But so we're gonna kind of set up in the same position, like with our pen, pencil, whatever, with a small point at the top which you can stare at our nose, and then we're gonna bring it out about 6 inches and keep staring here. And then instead of going up and down, kind of like in a yes posture, we're gonna go side to side. So it's no. So I'm just maintaining my gaze. And it's really helpful to do this if you have like a blank background. So I would suggest like maybe a wall, a curtain, something that there's not a ton of stuff behind you to kind of be messing with your eyes. So that's all we're gonna do. Instead of just going up and down, we're gonna go side to side. And then, so I'm gonna combine 2 drills here. So the next progression of that is to go, you're probably guessing it, diagonal. So this is a little bit trickier, actually a lot of bit trickier to me. So you're gonna stare, and instead of going up and down or side to side, you're gonna go diagonal. And then take a break. I would only do these a few times, especially if it's new to you. If you get any pain, tension, headaches, anything like that, eye strain, then stop and take a break. If it's really bad, I would have like a little bit of food or something like that to kind of replenish your glucose, because your brain is using a lot of fuel doing this. So again, we're doing the side to sides today. And then the next progression is diagonal. So I'm going the other side here now. It's a little bit trickier. And so you can obviously do it seated, standing, whatever you would like. And in next week's video, we're gonna be doing a few other drills to help with balance. So stay tuned.